Here we have a 1952 all-original Ford truck with 49,000 original miles. It's a beautiful truck. Obviously, it's been kept in original immaculate condition. It had a restoration, but those are pictures of how it used to look before. Very nice. Very nice truck, sir.
Thank you.
How long did it take you to finish the restoration?
I bought it in about 2000 and I worked on it, and it was just a primer black for about 5 or 6 years, and once I decided to paint it, it took about a year and a half to really put it all back together.
It's very nice. Very interesting truck here. It's got an inline 6-cylinder and it's got a glass bolt Holley carburetor. The other side here, it's even got a glass fuel pump right there. Beautiful truck, kept in original condition. I mean, the guy restored it, but you know, it looks very, very original. Time period correct. You know, I was talking to him and he says it's about 98% done. I'm like, really? 98% done? Looks done to me. But, you know, he wants it perfect and it's got a few more things to do.